Hello and welcome to Hiking Sweden. My name is Anton and today we're hiking in my home county. We are out and hiking in the northern region of Värmland. I am doing this small trip together with my brother and we are going to be out in the wild for 2 nights. Thank you for joining us. If you have any questions for this video or any other thing I've done, just post them in the comments below. Thank you for joining in. Let's have a nice trip together. So we are on our way from Höljes in Nordvärmland. Everything sounds so funny when you say it in Swinglish. With me I have my brother, who looks really funny because of his poncho. So we are hiking the Nordvärmlandstrail, which is about 50 kilometers, and we just started. Some rain are coming down from the sky, but we are fairly dry so far. We are on our way up the highest mountain in Värmland, which isn't that high, but it's going to be pretty fun. I myself grew up in Värmland, so it's going to be nice to hike up this small mountain called the Pine Tree Mountain, or the Granberget in Swedish. We have done about 150 meters of incline. We have a few hundred more to go, and I think maybe 10 kilometers before we are at the mountain peak. So we found this old cellar and some bells in it. As you see, we have a quite cold and dull day. We have some clouds on the sky. The rain is pretty much hanging over us. So good morning, we're awake. This is where we slept tonight. The rain started like just hammering down on us, so we hurried up to the top of the highest mountain in Värmland, where we set up camp with our tent. Behind me we have this this tower, which we are going to go up later and look at the view. I promise you, it's amazing. So I've slept quite nice, almost 9 hours, which is, yeah, it's really good. My brother didn't sleep so well, so I was lucky he was not, but it has been so windy tonight. The tent has been wobbling all night from the wind, so it was really easy to just wake up. I think I woke up like 5 or 6 times, but I went to sleep again pretty fast, so not that big of a problem. If I wake up in the tent, I go to sleep again pretty fast, which is pretty nice. So we're about to make some breakfast. We've had our morning coffee, and yeah, gonna go up to the tower, look at the view, and then we're gonna head on out towards the south. Okay, so we're at the top now. It's quite windy, as you can hear. Temperature is going up. We are getting warmer. Feels really good. The ground is quite wet. Maybe you can hear. It has been raining, like pouring down all night. It's been super windy. But we are going to have a really nice day today, looks like, from the weather reports. So we've eaten lunch. We have passed a mountain called the Long Mountain, or actually we're walking on it at the moment. We've done quite a lot uphill today as well. I think about 700 meters. And we have soon walked 20 kilometers. We are starting to get a bit tired in our feet. Since they are a bit wet since yesterday's rain. The rest of us are pretty dry, which is nice. And the nature is just amazing, looks really good. We've had some great views. I don't think we will do a lot more uphill today. I think we're going to have quite a lot of decline for the rest of the day. And in a few hours find somewhere to stop. So finally we've arrived to the spot where we have put up our tent for the night. We've hiked about 25 to 27 kilometers, more than 1,000 meters incline. We're pretty tired. Our feet are sore, they are pretty wet, since it's been wet almost all day. We are going to have a small feast. We're going to eat, have some candy, have a nice evening. We've found a nice small camping spot here. We're going to put up a fire, have a nice evening, and then sleep a good night. So we have gotten up for today. Feels pretty good actually. My feet are still a bit sore, but we're dry. We have had a nice night's sleep. It's pretty cold outside. The the sun is on its way up, it's gonna get warmer, and we don't have that far to our end goal for this trip. So yeah, feels pretty good. And it's really time to get some gloves outside, but yeah, I forgot that. There we go, our sleeping pad and sleeping bags are packed, so it's time to tear down the tent. So on the road again. We don't think that we have that much ahead of us. A couple of kilometers. Right now going uphill. Not that steep, but after 2 days with lots of uphill, it's a bit tiring. When we come to Sysslebäck, which is the end of this hike, hopefully we'll find a pizzeria, get some pizza and have a good, nice lunch. Okay, so that's the sign for Sysslebäck.